Empire color coupe, me and Stacy. Dash on a bitch, I don't care if niggas hate me. X6 lift, no belt, no safety. Bag on a bitch if the bitch wanna chase me. She wanna fuck, but that bitch not a 10 though. Please back up, bitch, hands out the benzo. Bitch got mad, put a stain on my window.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae and I'm here to show you how I'm gonna install this wig. It looks a little nappy right now, but this is an orange wig and I actually really love it. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. My hair's in these braids, and don't get me wrong, I love these braids. I think they're cute, you know, when they're first done, and I think they are easy, even though I did them with my 50-inch acrylic nails. I think they're easy to take care of, like you don't have to do your hair a lot. But I'm just gonna, since I'm applying my wig on top of these, I'm gonna take the beads out because I'm about to take these out anyway, because as you can see they look crazy. So I'm just gonna take the beads out of these and then I'll start applying my wig. If you guys are wondering, I've only had these braids in for like a week, and I'm not gonna wash my hair yet because it's only been a week, and like I don't wash my hair every week because that would really dry my hair out. So that's why I'm just putting my wig on over it. I don't really know how long it's gonna last because it's so hot. Like it's literally so hot right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's really hot. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys know. And please ignore this mountain on my chin. I don't know where it came from. But yeah, oh, if you hear that background noise, it's the fan because it's hot. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so I finished taking out all the beads. Now I'm just gonna put on my wig cap. I think I'm gonna put on two because usually I put on a black one. And since this hair I'm about to put on is orange, I guess I'll put on a new one. Honestly, I wish I just had a regular new wig cap because I would just wear that. But I'm gonna have to do the ball cap thing simply because the wig is orange and I don't really like doing the ball cap method, but I mean sometimes it is more helpful and it does look a little better. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna put on my wig cap and now I'm just going to brush back my edges. I'm just gonna use this part of the wig cap. I already used it before, but I'm just gonna cut that part off because I don't have any wig caps. Like I don't know where they all went, but I don't have any more. So I'm gonna cut this off and then try to get it on. So this wig cap doesn't even like go from ear to ear. It goes to like almost my ear, but it'll work. And I'll just put some foundation on it. So to apply this wig cap, I'm just gonna put some Got2b spray. I'm so used to doing it with my thumb like this because my nails, but I don't have any nails right now. This is crazy. Where are my damn eyes? Just gonna do that. I'm gonna take my fan. Oh my god, did I get some in my eye? Take my fan. Yeah. I know people do it the other way, but I feel like if you're using one that you already used before, that way it's really effective. Not about to lie. Why is it bouncing off my head like that? So the way I'm doing this is like I'm just spraying. I sprayed another layer across the top, by the way. I just spray it. This part, like I don't know what happened, but I just spray it and hold it with my fingers like this, and I just hold it until it starts to feel like really sticky, and I can get it off. Now this does take a little minute. I'm not about to lie, but I mean whatever. And these lines also don't matter to me because you're really not going to see them. The only part that really matters is like right across the hairline and down the middle, but I'm gonna put some more foundation on it so it can be closer to my skin. So this is good enough. Honestly, it's not attaching on these ends. I don't really know why, but I'm just gonna go in with this olive oil grip gel and try to like fold down these parts and start to apply the glue. When I do this, I usually use the end of something. I think I'm just gonna use the end of my toothbrush, not my literal toothbrush, but you know, like the one I use for my edges, because I don't really want to use my comb because I use my comb on my scalp. So like, you know, I just put it, it was kind of a lot. Just put it like this. So I try to get the sides down a little better. I got this side. I don't know what's going on this side, but I'm just gonna move on and apply another layer of this gel I'm just gonna do it across the front first. This is a new gel, you know, like I saw it from Arnell, like Arnell Emma. I don't know if you guys know her, and Alyssa, they're twins, Alyssa Ashley. But I love Arnell, she's my favorite. She does great videos, she's really good at wigs. And that is where I got this idea to get this grip gel from. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like it that much, but it's kind of the only wig glue I have right now, so I'm just gonna use it. And with this glue, you kind of have to wait it out and then like let it dry before you apply. But I'm telling you, like, it takes a long time to dry. Like, it literally takes so long. But you know what? We're gonna wait because we ain't got nothing but time in quarantine. So while that part is drying, I thought I'd show you guys the wig I'm putting on. I know it looks a little crazy on camera. It looks a little crazy in person too. But yeah, I love it, honestly. It's honestly not that good of hair. Like, this is kind of like the worst quality of hair that I have. But I really do like this color orange. And you know, you can like kind of make it work. You just gotta put some stuff in it and it'll work out. So this is the one I'm gonna be putting on. I'm waiting for the glue to dry. But as it's on my head, I actually glued down the side a little better. I mean, it'll do. It's not like anyone's gonna see it, but you still want like a flat surface underneath, you know? So I did the best I could, and I'm just gonna cut a little tiny bit of the lace off wherever I need to, which is mostly just like right here. Like literally a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this to start getting tacky. It's taking forever as usual. I'm just gonna fan it and we'll see where we get. But I have to say, I did watch my sister's video on this. Her channel is Baby Glow. If you didn't know, that's my sister. And she was like, she didn't really use her hands because it's so sticky. And like, that is so true because this glue is literally so sticky. But I feel so stupid. I literally forgot to get my scarf, so I'm gonna go get that. Okay, I'm back. And it's hot. It's literally so hot. I can't breathe in here. I can't do it. Okay, so I think it's like dry enough. So I'm gonna start gluing it down. I just started with, I'll pull it up, the middle section. I go in sections sometimes because it's easier that way. It does take a little longer, but I mean, it's okay. Like I said, we ain't got nothing but time. So I'm just gonna start gluing the middle down. And just like anything else, hold it. So I did put on a scarf on that part, and I'm just gonna like gluing it so it doesn't like bunch up or anything. Simply because my arms are getting tired and I don't feel like holding it for that long. Like, who feels like doing that, you know? Yeah, just put some water in it to brush it out, and yeah, it's straight. Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna get back to you guys after I glue down all the parts so I can show you how to do my baby hairs. Okay, so update, the scoop gel doesn't work, as I knew it. Every single time I've used it has not worked, except one time it worked a little bit. I don't even know what I did different, but for some reason it didn't work. So I had to basically go back in and just use my Xoxo spray, and this is what I was using before. I know a lot of people use wig glue and stuff, but for some reason this worked for me. It would last for like 4 or 5 days, which is the amount that I want it to last. I mean, I would use a glue if I wanted it to last longer, but since I was in high school, not anymore. Because I was in high school and I was a cheerleader, like I always had stuff to do, so like I just had my wig on for however long I could. But it works the best for me, in my opinion. I'm just gonna go back to what I know, not about to lie, because I could use this Xoxo spray and the literal Xoxo glue that everybody used to use. I don't really know why everybody stopped using it. I know they came out with a lot of wig glues and stuff, but I don't know, something about that glue was a little sus to me. So yeah, I just did that, and now I'm just waiting for it to dry. Really, I did like 2 layers. I pulled the hairs out. It's kind of sloppy, but you'll just see when I get back again after it's dry and I'm ready to do my baby hair. So it's been like 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna take off this scarf and see what we're working with. Not looking too good, but you know, it's kind of attached, like it's pretty on there, so we're just gonna make it work and start brushing all the edges back. So I did mostly brush back the hairs in the front, but some of it did lift, so I just put some more spray and I'm just waiting for it so I can just push those parts down, and then we'll get to the baby hairs. So I did put the scarf on one more time, and I'm gonna put it on one more time after this, after I do my baby hairs, and then we'll move on to the hair. Right now I'm brushing out some baby hairs that I'm gonna use, and I did clean like around my hairline with a cotton ball and some alcohol. And I think the thing about wigs that is so tedious is that they're so tedious. Like, you have to go in parts. You have to do wigs in part. You can't just like do anything at once. And that part is very time consuming, but it is fun. And that is why I like wigs. Now usually it depends. I'll either use my Wetline Extreme Gel or my Cantu like foam wrap to lay my edges, but today I think I'm just gonna try to use this grip gel so we can get some use, so we can do something, and we'll see how it works. I actually kind of like how it's working. I mean, since this hair is orange, I know it's probably like really hard to see it, but you know, it's still there, and I do like how it is working on my baby hairs. I think that I'm just about done with my baby hairs. I actually kind of like how they came out. I know I kind of look like an elf, but like, kind of like it. So now I'm just gonna put my scarf back on, and then we'll be back. You know what? I just put on this scarf, and I realized that I don't really need it, so I'm probably just gonna fan the glue dry. So I'm gonna take out my ponytail. Ooh, yikes. And we're gonna work on, keep it tucked behind my ears. We're gonna work on up here because it's looking a little rough. I'm not gonna lie. Look at my brush, like it has all this orange hair. There's so much product in this hair. Like when I take this off, I'm gonna need to give it a nice deep clean. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I used my comb and I got it pretty flat at the top. I feel like I don't even really need to do too much up here. It can just be a little more flat, like just a little bit there. I'm not gonna max like usual. I think it looks pretty good though. So I use my Cantu foam wrap and just put some at the top of my hair. We should be straight. So that's about it for the hair. This is how it came out. I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup and I'll come right back. So this is actually the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. I really like this. I think I look cute, and see you next time.